Yeah, let's get the fuel pump out of here. And we got, looks like the locks are here. Welcome back to What's Next Garage. Today we're finishing up the 2001 Yukon XL Denali fuel pump change. Stick around, this one's messy. Wow, he's got her full. She's full to the top. Oh my gosh. It is full. Holy cow. Oh my gosh. It is like that full. That's a full tank of gas. Holy cow. This looks like it can't be a replacement. It looks just like that one. So here's the rubber seal. Whoop. I gotta get this out of here. Cleaning up the outside rim of that tank just so we don't get any particulate in. And nothing fell inside because I was able to look straight into the tank. Just ease it up there. We don't want to get too jiggy with it. Crazy. Okay, get some wires in there. Okay. Let's bring this up. Now, there we go. Now there's a tab here, which goes right there. So in we go. Oh, the gas is just pouring out. Well, it's just running out on the floor. Okay, spring loaded. There's gas everywhere. Okay. There definitely were gas fumes galore. As I was working, my head was right over the top of that gas tank opening. My hands definitely were clean, and the whole top of that gas tank absolutely grease-free. There's a little stop right there. So that baby's that's right up to where it's gotta go. That's right at the stop. Right here's a stop. So that's a stop when it's all the way engaged. And these little dogs are all the way at the end, so you can see right there that she's all the way in. So we're all the way tight and looking good. Just gotta dry off some more of that gas up there and we should be good to go. All right, so these are the ones. They go down and then they go into the right angles. Okay, I'm kind of getting my butt kicked because it's gotta come underneath something in there. There's some plumbing in there. So I'm gonna fish this through because it's easier to go this way under that stuff. Now we'll go under the vehicle and we'll see where that came out. Okay, so there's my wire right here. I'll need to attach this guy to that wire, and then that will pull him underneath the crossover in there that he has to go under. That's why it's shaped like this. So it's shaped like this because it sits in a trough, so it has to go under something. So we'll attach that to that wire and then we'll pull that in. So let me get that attached and then I'll come back. Okay, so I wrapped that up so you can't get any yuck in there. Maybe get one of my kids to help me. Okay, pull it up a little. Okay. Hold on. Give me a little. So this is how I got it through. I put the Romex through. Let's see. Yeah, you can see down in there. So you see, yeah, you can see down in there that rusty. It comes, we have to go underneath that. That goes underneath. That's why the U shape is in those. So you have to go below that. And the only way I could do it was using Romex. And you need to really protect the connection because you have to make it go up like this, up like this. A helper, tape, and that's it. That worked. So we're good. So now I'm gonna hook these up and then I'll be done for the day, and then I'm gonna have to, then I'll do all the metal work tomorrow. You can see them in the clip there. And they go underneath. Beautiful. Okay, so everything is looking nice and dry. We have no leaks, and because that gas tank was so full, we can rock it back and forth. And I know it's slopping up and sloshing around there, and we have nothing. It is completely dry, looking good. And I'm gonna connect the battery, and we'll give it a start up and make sure that nothing leaks. And then we can put this one to bed. We'll close this up and start riveting and sealing. The lines back there we're gonna have to check, and the lines underneath the vehicle. I'll put everybody back here to watch this. Okay. I'm not gonna start it, I'm just gonna pressurize the lines. Okay, keep an eye. All right, the fuel gauge works. See any leaks back there, you guys? Okay, I don't see anything back there yet. All right, I'm gonna try and start it. Here we go to start. Started right up. Means we're pumping fuel. All right, keep an eye. Okay, we're pumping fuel, now I'm gonna shut it off. And I'm gonna go look and see what we got. Nothing here. We are completely leak-free. That's good. And we'll go here. So that's perfectly dry. And that guy's perfectly dry. So those are perfectly dry. That's good. Okay, we don't have any leaks here, and I wouldn't expect any leaks here because this was all from the manufacturer. So that's all leak-free. And then the other place is gonna be up here. And both of those guys are leak-free. There's no, I touched them, there's nothing. No wetness, no nothing. We have a good leak-free installation. All right, so this is all good. We are dry. Just one more verification. Everything is good to go. Tight. We've already checked for leaks, we're good. So we're gonna close this up. So I don't expect this tape to hold this in position. Maybe I'll just cut pieces to go here, and then I'll rivet them in, and then I can form it to those angles. Yeah, I think I'm gonna cut that stuff. 1/8 inch drill bit. Can you believe it? Can you actually believe it? I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 choices, 10 chances. And there's actually an 1/8 inch drill bit with a good tip. Oh boy. That's the sun shining on a dog's ass. Ha ha, yeah. Now as long as I don't drill through. Oh, I love it. At this point, I just went through and drilled my holes and put the rivets in. I probably could have put a piece of tape to determine the depth that I needed to go to, but I was so excited and so high on gas fumes that I just wanted to get these holes drilled and get the rivets in and get this job buttoned up. It really helps if you subscribe. Currently, about 92% of the views on this channel are from people that are unsubscribed. 8% are from people that are subscribed. So if you're new to the channel, please like and share and subscribe. I really appreciate it. Thank you. Okay, here we go with a startup. Should fire right over. Should turn right over. The vehicle started up and ran great, took throttle nice, and there were no leaks anywhere along the system. Well, that's going to do it for this episode of What's Next Garage. I appreciate you stopping by. Like, share, and subscribe. It is free. And as always, have a great day.